What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. Hope you guys are staying healthy out there. Today's video, we're going to be restoring the plastic trim on the Grand Cherokee along with ceramic coating it. So before we get started with that, I did want to announce a giveaway. So since you guys have shown amazing support in the last Grand Cherokee videos, we're going to give away a 6-inch light bar. This will come with mounting brackets, all the stuff you need to get it set up, everything like that. To enter to win this light bar, all you have to do is number 1, subscribe. And number 2, we're going to put a 3-digit code somewhere on the screen throughout the video. All you have to do is subscribe and comment that code down in the comments, and you're entered. We're going to give you guys 3 days to enter. At the end of the 3 days, we'll reply to one of your comments with our email address. You'll send over your information for shipping and all that, and we'll get this shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video, and I'll see you guys then. Alright, so now that we talked about that, let's go ahead and just dive into today's video. So this is basically a trim coat and ceramic coating all at once. So the instructions are pretty simple, just wash and dry the surface, no wax, stuff along those lines. So let's go ahead and dive into the back. I'll apply it to some areas, show you guys the results, and we'll move on from there. So we'll go ahead and start with the hatches on the back. So as you guys can see, it barely takes any time to work. It puts it back to, it looks brand new, honestly. It's dark black. Still a little glossy. When it dries, it gets a little more like of a matte color, but still like a really nice black color. Looks brand new. As you guys can see, we compare them. Let's go ahead and do this one too, so that way we get them both done. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the back trim. So I've gone ahead and I taped up a line, and this is before, this is after. Some of the after is still drying. I did the same with the handle, but as you guys can tell, this is a huge difference. So before it almost matched with the gray of the bed liner. Now it's definitely a black. Some of it's still drying, that's why it looks a little different. You can also use this on your door handles. You can use this on the trim around the windows to make that black again. I actually used it for pretty much any piece of black trim on the entire car. For example, so here's one of the door handles before we applied the coating. It's gray, so as you guys can see, it's pretty dull. There's some spots that are even gray, almost white, and it just doesn't look old and never been maintained. So this is after we apply the coating. As you guys can see, a nice glossy black, even color all around. I do have to go around and touch up some of the bed liner around this, get it off some of the spots on the handle. But here's a before and after side comparison, so that way you guys can see. As you can see, it makes a huge difference. It definitely restores it. I think it works great. So for $25, you get about 9 of these, each individual sheets. I used 1, for example, in the entire Wrangler. So just to give you an example of how long that'll last, I could do it to my Wrangler 9 times. This stuff's also supposed to last 200 car washes. That's kind of insane. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be linking the product down in the description for you guys to pick up. It's $25 on Amazon. In my opinion, it's 100% worth it. It made all the trim on the Grand Cherokee look brand new. It's supposed to be ceramic coated for 200 washes. I do plan on testing that in the future. Just so you guys know, this was not a paid promotion or anything like that. I just honestly think it's a great product. So the link will be down below. Keep in mind, we are giving away the 6-inch light bar with this video. All you have to do is 1, subscribe, and 2, comment the code that was flashed on the screen throughout the video down in the comments. Giving you guys 3 days to enter that, so if you guys haven't entered, go ahead and rewatch the video, find the code, comment it down below. Besides that, I did want to say thank you for killing it with the support on the last Grand Cherokee videos. I'm having a ton of fun making these videos. Honestly, I enjoy making these videos a lot more than the Wrangler, just because I get to do cooler things with this. I get to custom fabricate a lot of stuff for it, with which we have videos coming up soon. Products are coming in next week for the Grand Cherokee. I believe they ship Monday, so I'll update you guys on that when they arrive. We have a ton of cool content coming out. I believe it should be ready to test off-road and all that in about a week and a half or 2 weeks. We'll get some awesome content out, getting the drone up in the air with that, off-road, all that stuff. So I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe and stay healthy.